Sir Kaya Redford is the creator of Top Producing Faster to Your Wealth and Freedom. As a success coach for Fortune 500 companies for over 20 years, Kaya trains the top 1% of producers, leaders, entrepreneurs, influencers, and salespeople all over the world to increase your production and help you make more money. Not just commission to commission, but actually creating your wealth and freedom faster. He specializes in the banking industry, real estate. He has trained the #1 Century 21 office in the world and the #1 agent in the world, Marty Rodriguez. He trains the mortgage and the financial services industry too. Kaya trains the top teams in WFG, New York Life, and PHP, as well as several network marketing companies. Sir Kaya was recently knighted by Prince Rafael of Spain.
Knight of the Royal Order of Constantine the Great.
And was also honored by the United Nations with the Humanitarian Award.
Kaya Redford! Wow!
As a trainer's trainer in neuroscience and neurolinguistic programming, Kaya coaches primarily on mindset, communication skills, sales and influence skills and strategies, habits, behaviors, and taking massive action.
I'ma get to it exactly what we need to do.
Kaya is also a miracle-minded coach, personally trained and certified by presidential candidate and New York Times best-selling author Marianne Williamson, and been a featured guest speaker on OWN, Oprah Winfrey Network, Recap Show 3 times. Kaya trains and certifies speakers, coaches, and trainers all over the world to do what he does.
You get closer to the goal.
Like they're with you.
The energy that you exude, I just can't wait till we share the platform together. The mark of greatness is upon you.
Let's welcome to the stage, Sir Kaya Redford.